together you and my friends. My name is Nazatul Anisha binti AZHAR. We are from Group 6 and I will be the first presenter in this video. Our insects collection consists of arthropods. Arthropods is the biggest phylum in animal kingdom. There are 7 general characteristics of arthropods, but the main are segmented body and exoskeleton. There are 4 subphylum in arthropods and we have collected Myriapoda, Hexapoda and Chelycerata. But for Crustacea, we are not be able to collect them. So, the objectives of this final project is to identify the species, the genus, the life cycle and the medical importance of the insect that we have collected. Next, to demonstrate the correct technique in collecting and preserving the insects. So, we have collected our insects at Taman Tasik Titi Wangsa, Taman Tasik Shah Alam, housing area and mostly at MSU Garden.
Hello, my name is ADIB. For materials for catching and collecting the insects, container, butterfly net, glass insect collection box, insect water, insect repellent spray, water, yeast and sugar is required. For pinning and preserving the insects, 4 Sept insect pins, 70% alcohol, chloroform and polyfoam is required. For methods, most of the insects were caught by bare hand and were put in a container or plastic. Sometimes the butterfly net was used to catch the flying insects. Some insects were caught by insect repellent spray and some insects caught by DIY trap. After collecting the insects, alive insects were killed by chloroform and all the insects were properly pinned and displayed in the insect collection box.
I have collected Aedes aegypti, yellow spot millipede and cockroach.
Hello, my name is ZULAIKHA and I managed to collect millipede, a bee and a housefly.
I catch the dragonfly under the class of Insecta and also spider under the class of Arachnida.
I collected a nymph of a grasshopper.
Hi, my name is CATHLYN. So now I will continue with my part for the life cycle and also the procedure of the larva. So I will start with the life cycle. Here is the life cycle of the insect that we catch. The life cycle were divided into 2. One is complete metamorphosis and one is incomplete metamorphosis. So this is the example of life stage Aedes mosquito. We collected the larvae and preserved them by using 70% alcohol.
So I'll be talking about the discussion. We managed to catch 3 species of class Tripoda with 37.5%, 6 species of class Insecta with 75%, and 1 species of class Arachnida with 12.5%. For subphylum, Hexapoda has the biggest percentage, which is 62.5% with 5 species. 25% of subphylum Myriapoda with 2 species, and 12.5% of Chelycerata with only 1 species. For the life cycle, there are 2 types of life cycle, which are complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis. There are 3 species of complete metamorphosis and 6 species of incomplete metamorphosis. So the conclusions we get from the projects are, we are able to catch the insect with different methods and materials. For example, using net, by bare hands, or using the DIY trap. Then, we can differentiate different types of life cycle and stages. Other than that, we also can learn their medical importance in our life. After that, we can classify the insects based on their order, subphylum, and classes. Lastly, we also can observe their structures and determine their body parts.